am Shivani.
I am Pooja.
I am studying in 6th standard A section.
We are going to share a few informations about plants. Let's start.
Hi Pooja.
Hi Shivani.
Pooja, tell me where do all grain, pulses, fruits and vegetables come from?
They are come from plants, that is producers.
Oh, why are plants called producers?
Plants make their own food, so that is why they are called the producers.
Do you know leaf green in color?
No idea.
Leaves are green in color due to the presence of a green color substances called chlorophyll. Do you know what is tomato?
There are many tiny holes present on the underside of the leaf. They are plants to breathe and are called tomatoes.
Really interesting. Do you know what is plants store extra food?
They store extra food in different parts, such as roots, stem, fruits and seeds.
Thank you.